Hello there, my name is Chance and thank you so much for servicing with us. Odds are, if you're watching this video, you're in the need of an all-wheel drive service. All-wheel drive systems have become increasingly popular in modern vehicles due to their enhanced traction and stability. Whether you're navigating snowy roads, rugged terrain, or just want the extra confidence in your vehicle's performance, all-wheel drive provides significant advantages. However, in order to maintain its effectiveness and longevity, regular servicing is essential. Now, what is all-wheel drive? All-wheel drive systems distribute power to all four wheels of a vehicle simultaneously. This separates them from a traditional two-wheel drive system, which only lends power to the front or the rear of the vehicle. All-wheel drive systems are particularly beneficial in adverse weather conditions or challenging road surfaces. Now let's get into the particulars of why an all-wheel drive service is so important. To start off with, optimal performance. All-wheel drive systems are complex and involve multiple components working in perfect harmony. Regular servicing ensures that these components, such as the differential, transfer case, and drive shaft, function correctly. This helps maintain the vehicle's performance, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. Preventative maintenance. Routine checks and maintenance can prevent potential issues before they become major problems. For instance, regular fluid changes in the transfer case and differential can prevent wear and tear, which reduce the risk of costly repairs down the line. There is also the safety element. Properly functioning all-wheel drive systems enhance vehicle safety by providing better traction and stability. Regular servicing ensures that the system operates correctly, helping to maintain control in slippery or uneven conditions, which is critical for driver safety. And finally, longevity. Just like any other vehicle system, all-wheel drive components, they have a lifespan. Regular maintenance can extend the life of these components, delaying the need for replacements and keeping your vehicle running smoothly for years to come. Now then, let's discuss some of the key components of your all-wheel drive service. Firstly, we have the transfer case fluid. The transfer case is responsible for distributing power between the front and rear axles. Regularly checking and replacing the transfer case fluid is essential for smooth operation and to prevent overheating or damage. The differential fluid. Differentials allow the wheels to rotate at different speeds, which is especially important during turning. Keeping the differential fluid clean and at the proper level ensures efficient power distribution and reduces wear on the gears within the differentials. Up next, the drive shafts and CV joints. Drive shafts transfer power from the engine to the wheels. Inspecting and servicing the drive shafts and CV joints helps prevent vibration, noises, and potential failures. A wheel alignment. All-wheel drive vehicles are sensitive to wheel alignment issues. Regular alignment checks and adjustments help ensure even tire wear and optimal handling. And lastly, we have tire maintenance. All four tires should be in good condition and properly inflated. Uneven tire wear can affect all-wheel drive performance and lead to costly repairs. Regularly rotating tires and checking their condition is vital. Now, before we go into timelines, let's just quickly summarize everything we've discussed. All-wheel drive systems provide enhanced traction and stability, making them a valuable feature for many drivers. However, to ensure they perform at their best, regular servicing is essential. By staying on top of maintenance such as fluid changes, component inspections, and tire care, you can help your all-wheel drive system deliver optimal performance, enhance safety, and extend the life of your vehicle. If you're unsure about your all-wheel drive system's maintenance needs, consult a professional service advisor to keep your vehicle in top shape. As far as rough estimates go, in my particular region, I tend to see most people getting an all-wheel drive service done about every 50,000 kilometers to every 100,000 kilometers, at least as far as major servicing is concerned, and that works out to about every 3 to 5 years. That being said, depending on your region and depending on the make and model of vehicle you drive, you may need them sooner or later than that. Needless to say, if you have been sent this video by your service advisor, odds are your vehicle would substantially benefit from getting this work done. So don't hesitate to reach out and let us know we can move forward with those repairs and recommendations. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you once again for deciding to service with us. This video is designed and meant to be used by myself, and really myself alone, to any commercial capacity. If you've happened to stumble across this video on YouTube or are looking to improve your own service advising skill set, that's totally fine. But if you have been referred to this video by a manager or superior, whatever shop you may work at, I do ask that you let me know down beneath in the comment sections. If I am able to sell them any course material, I would be more than happy to cut you in with your referral. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.